Hi guys! Okay, this game that we're going to play today is going to help us to review some of our sight words, but it's also going to touch upon the different words that are CVCC, CVCC, some words that you might have never seen before, but we're going to try to use all of our decoding skills to figure this out, but we're going to be playing a game. Okay, so I'm going to switch over here. And we are again in ABCA over here. Okay, abca.com. Some of you might have explored this website and it's super fun. And I went through to look for the super fun games because some of them are not really that fun. But I try to choose the best ones ever. Okay, so I'm going to press play over here. The sight words. Okay, I'm going to press that little apple on the bottom over here. Now, you can pick which one you want over here. You don't have to do the same one as me, but I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to call this one breakfast. Okay, I'm going to click it. It's going to turn red, and I'm going to click on the apple again. Click on one of the words at the bottom. So that's the important one because I kept making that mistake. Click on the word on the bottom and then find the picture of that word in the illustration. So here I have this crazy, I'm going to turn off the sound so you guys can hear my voice a little bit better. Okay, so if the sound bothers you, just turn it off over here. Okay, and if you want it back on, you click it back on. Okay, now, I have this crazy picture. It's not one of your normal pictures, obviously. And on the bottom, you have about 10 words that you have to match with a picture. So I'm going to click. You have to click it. If you don't click it the right way, it's going to do a little bump sound. You hear it? That means you didn't click it the right way. That's the right sound. Okay? And it's going to be highlighted a little bit. So this one is fish. Fish. So now I'm going to go into my picture and I'm going to try to find the picture of a fish. So I decoded this one here and now I'm going to click on the fish because I found it. Ta-da! And it's going to go ahead and cross it out for me just so that I know I'm done with that one. Next, okay, I'm going to do this one. Tree. I'm going to click it. You have to click on the word itself. If you click outside of it, it's not going to select it. Clicked it. Here it is. That's a CVC word. Woohoo! I know this one. Sun. Sun. If I just start clicking on things, it doesn't do anything. So you have to click on the word to let the computer know, okay, I'm going to be looking for this word right now. Okay? Hill. Hill. Over here. Ooh, another CVC word. Yoo-hoo! Oh, that one. I don't even have to sound each one. I already know that this is cat. Choose this one. Here's my kitty cat. Ooh, here we go. This is a CVCC word. Milk. Milk. Where's the milk? You're right. Okay. This is pencil. Pencil. That was a tricky one because it's on the mug. 6. Where's the number 6? 6. Do you guys see the number 6? Hello? Oh, there it is. That was a tough one. And the last one is book. Book. Oh, it's on top up here. And then the last, oh no, so there's one more. Boat. Awesome! And then it's going to take you back to the first part where you get to pick a different picture with different words. So I'm going to do the party ride. And it has the same kind of deal. And now different picture, different words. So I want you guys to challenge yourselves to go ahead and try to decode the words on the bottom and find them in your pictures. Okay? So I have a link to it on Do It Yourself part. If you cannot do the game online, that's okay. There is a page you can print out and you guys can go ahead and do the page. You're going to have to color the real words, not the nonsense words. But if you can do this game, it's super fun. just make sure that you guys press on the word itself. If you click outside, it's not going to select it, and that gets a little bit frustrating. So make sure you guys click on the word itself. But it's a super fun game. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!